project, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you how I'm packaging everything up, what I'm putting in my swap. It's not a collab, it's a swap, I'm sorry, in my swap, and then we'll package it up. So what I used mostly the Sweet and Spooky from Not Too Shabby. This was like a I don't know what you call it, like a little mini release. And so I used all of this as well as all of the ephemera, a little bit of this reverse confetti. I used a bat bow die. I used the new Tailored Expressions Creating Quads, the Halloween one. I think it's called Halloween, and it's amazing. It also has these two dies, add-on dies, which I also used. And just, oh yeah, and then these stickers, which I had shown in my American Crafts haul that I did a couple weeks ago. So I am trying to use all the things that I have. So let me show you what I've got. First of all, in the swap, we needed to make some sort of a container to put everything in. It could be a box, it could be a bag. I kind of made my own little box. All I did was take paper 6 by 12. I scored it at, I think it was 4.5. 4.5 and 5.5 is what I scored it. So I created a gusset at the bottom. I folded it over, and then I went ahead and made a little gusset for the sides there. That's it. I used paper. I used that die. I used my flowers that I had made. And so there you go. Let's see. What am I going to share with you guys? Okay, so first, I've got this black envelope, which I'm going to be putting just some little, like this is like a little short little bookmark tag. This is just a little embellishment that is mounted in a little square of paper that can be placed on a tag or on a card. And I'm just going to pop it in here. And I'm just going to use a bit of washi tape to seal up this black envelope. And so let's see, I seal it up. And so you can see, oops, all the different things that I made for this collab. And I made quite a bit. So you have that. Let's put in there. And then I've got, I was going to put that in there, but I guess I'll put that in here. So in here, I have an envelope that I decorated with the washi, and then some of the flowers that I made. And then in here, I have some ghost die cuts and some bat die cuts. And then I have my bag topper, because you're supposed to make a bag topper. And then I'm going to put my my little YouTube card, creating with the heart, in here. And that in here. And then in here, I have, I put some sequins in here. So in here, I have an embellishment. I have the 3 flowers that we're supposed to include, as well as a little bat bow embellishment. So it gets a little hairy here. Put that in there. And then in here, I have some candy corn. Put that in there. And then this is embellished with one of my little coin embellishments. And then in here, I'm going to put a bat bow. How's that gonna? I guess that's good enough. Put it this way. I put that bow and a pack of, this calls for confetti sequins. And then this is sealed like that. And there we go. And then the last thing, kind of like trying to fit this in so it's not to keep it. The last thing that I'm going to put in here is this cute little embellishment. So this is just a straw, and I just glued on one of my circle embellishments. And that is just going to go right in here. So like that. And then to package it up, let's see. I'm going to put it in a clear bag because I don't want everything like flying out. So I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape to make sure that that stays down, and then I'm going to tie it with some ribbon. So I got some Halloween ribbon. And just keeping it very simple. And there you go. It's all set and ready to go for my swap. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.